Okay, we are now in week 2 of the month. One thing I noticed about those 2 trades I took, or all the trades I took, they're all in they all hit equilibrium of range. Oh my gosh, did I not? I deleted it. So what were they all in? They're all in EQ of a range, and then I was fading the first inversion. Fade first IFUG outside of fade the first IFUG if not in EQ, and then 3 wait for better manipulation, meaning like if this is my AMD, terrible. I want it to be like boom, boom, boom. Okay? So we're gonna lock this, anchor it. Ooh, lock. Shit. Oh, you can't lock this. Oh my gosh, what just happened? What just happened? Bro, what? What just happened? Okay, you know what? Let me just run my shit again. 1, wait for EQ cap. 2, wait first IFUG if not in EQ. 3, wait for good manipulation outside of range. And then boom. That's all I want. What's this? Lock. Is this it or it doesn't move? What is the anchor? I forgot what the anchor means. Alright. Next day. What the fuck? Why is it right here, bro? Why is it right here? I don't know why it's right there. It's whatever. I want this to be here. Why is it not like... Okay. Whatever. Let's go to the 4 hour. We're trending up. Get you up here so you're out the way. We are trending up. We're low-key a little bit overextended. Just a little bit. We've taken out this external, which was previous. It's not previously high. This is previously high. What is this high up here? This is a previously high. This 1 hour gap's not holding. 4 hour. Okay, let's just see what we do. I don't like how we close below this gap and we run up. So this move up isn't really sponsored by anything. So this is a possible draw because we've taken out external and we have like the higher time frame internal, which is this 4 hour gap. The only way I know if this 4 hour gap is going to get reached is if we get into discount and all of these bullish gaps start failing. So let's see what we do. We have a 15-minute right here. We got 30-minute. Yeah, there's a 30-minute too. Let's see what we do. Boom, boom, boom. Oh boy. Okay, this would be like a mech version. Holy booty inversion. But you know, it fucking plays out. Okay. I'll just mark out the equilibrium point from there. 30-minute. Okay, the equilibrium point of that gap. I don't like how we're sweeping out these highs, because in a way this is high resistance. Okay, we've hit this gap right here. We have S&Ps at these lows. We're still within this accumulation range, so okay, that's fine. I don't really care that we missed a trade there. I wonder if we have a 5-minute, 3-minute. There's a 3-minute. We could look for a continuation to that daily gap, or we could just not retrace. Okay, we can look for a mech to this. Either that, like if, because you can see that, ooh, that we are in the premium of this range high from here to there. No need to mark that out. So now we can delete our draws. We can delete this, delete this. Where's 9 AM open? Here's 9 AM open. We don't manipulate into anything. We probably do. Okay, we take out this 3-minute intermediate low and then we continue higher. Oh boy. It's end of session. Get pretty good LR. I'm gonna mark out the range from here. Decent LR. I don't want to take a trade off of this, but I do want to watch because we have accumulation here, this leg down. And then, yeah, that's it for this day. No trade this Monday. The beginning of the weeks haven't been giving me much opportunities, bro. Bro, why am I so stuffy? So it looks like we're trading down to this previous day low, this previous day gap, in respect to this 1 hour gap. Previous day low is right there. Very good draw. We hit this 1 hour gap up here, and we do respect it. So let's see if we can retrace. We have a leg that I can mark out here to there. Let's see if we want to retrace higher to equilibrium, to this gap up here. This gap, don't know how I feel about that gap, but I'll just watch it, bro. Boom. Oh, okay. Boy. Okay. Okay. So we take out this LR. We still have the higher time frame draw. We have this swing low, relatively equal lows with this low, and that previous day low down there. And now we're in this equilibrium point. Only negative is this is kind of high resistance. Like not high resistance, it's we don't have a good swing low. Boom. Okay, we hit this 30-minute, this premium 15-minute. If this doesn't hold price, more likely than not, we're not going to go lower. Okay, we're not going lower. We want to go higher. So we're playing off of now this sweep of London low, and we have this intermediate high. Let's see. Oh shit. Wait, ES is not being bullish though. I don't like this. 3, 4. So now we have this 5-minute opening. One thing I don't like about this, well, hold on, if this 5-minute gets inversed, then yeah, I'll consider it. Because we do wick this. This is more bearish. Let's see how we play out of this gap. So I can't get rid of this. Bro, I'm so stuffy. 44, 45. Look at this. So if I'm marking equilibrium from range to here, fuck, move out the way. Range here to range there. We don't hit equilibrium. And this shit ends up playing. Damn, okay. Here, like 1-to-1 is somewhere up there. I'd go break even there. This gets break even. We generate more LR. A possible spot of reaction is that 1 hour intermediate high up there. Okay, we're still respecting these 15-minute gaps. Like, we keep retracing back to them. Okay, 58, 59. Okay, what the hell? Looks like we're not respecting it. Let's worry about an inverse on the 5-minute. We have more low resistance up here than we do down there, so I don't like. Oh my gosh. Tuesday. Why does it never show that if there's news or not? Is that previous day low and all that shit? Okay. Okay. Remove 10 drawings. Looks like a rebalance day to this, so let's try to catch a trade from there. Holy moly. Why won't you nut in me? Okay. Well, obviously in this 5-minute, pretty good accumulation. 31 opens, so 30 opens. Where do we go? To this 15-minute, 5-minute right there. Yeah, can we hit the equilibrium point, please? Boom. Come on, buddy. Oh boy. Do we inverse it? We do inverse it, but the con about this trade was the weak inverse. We did get into premium. We did go above. There's no stop hunt, so I'd be taking this with like a continuation emphasis. Let's see how this plays out, to be honest. 15-minute. I like the rejection from here. Yeah, I'll take this. Let's just see what happens. 1 minute break even. I don't have a break even until ES hits this low or something. Oh. That's my break even. Go break even. Okay, break even gets hit. Let's see. Actually, hold on. Because we inverse this 5 minute. Let's see how this plays out. Yeah, break even's valid after seeing this chop. Start slowing down. Let's see. What happens? Okay, so we do end up trading higher. My draw is correct. Oopsies, sorry. My draw is correct. It's just we do end up getting stopped out, and I think that's because like all the volume came from this low, from this like dump, and that SMT. So yeah. Dang, bruh. Wait, let me remark that out again because now we are in an important segment. We're in an important area of price. This equilibrium point. We have this 4-hour gap. Boom. And we have this 4-hour gap. So we've gotten to discount. We're in this 4-hour gap. That's in the premium of this whole range. This gets respected, which it looks like it kind of did. Then I can assume that we want to go to these lows. But if you want to go lower, I do want to see a open high, sweep out these highs, and then find a trade lower. We have a 15-minute gap here that price can just hit and go lower from because it'd be a premium from this range high. Let's see. Boom. Instant tap. Ooh, that is a good inversion. Okay, I like how we hit this. Let's see. Because it's in the premium of this range, we have okay accumulation. I'm going to take this tight stop like right here, because if we go up, like we're just gonna get stopped out anyways. Whoa. And I'll target a 1-to-1. Hold on. Let me look at this real quick. So internal, we hit this internal. What is the external range here? We've hit this internal range. What is the external? Well, we still have highs here. Dude, I'm sorry. I just had a big ass Chinese buffet like an hour before this. I'm gonna fade this, to be honest. I don't like the way a higher time frame structure looks. And of course it plays out. I don't know if I can go on, really. Okay, buddy. Oh my gosh. Wednesday, 9 AM opens. We receive out these lows and we have equal highs up there. So longs, I like now because now we're in this discounted range. We retest it. Bro. You have to wait for a retracement, dude. 5-minute tap. Oh my gosh, there's nothing. There's a 3-minute tap. Boom, 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 boom. Bruh, what the fuck is this booty ass price action? 2-minute. Okay, cool. Now we've hit this spot. 9:30 opens. We manipulate higher. Fuck! We have no gap to target now for a mech. I mean, unless I take this worth, we're gonna go target external, but bro, we already swept out this low. I wanna say this is high resistance. We can just watch. 30-second. Wait, we have a volume imbalance. Why is that? SMT. We have a volume imbalance there. Okay, we hit this 5-minute intermediate. Okay, I'm gonna skip this day. Okay, internal, external here. We have another external draw up there. So now I want to say that we're respecting this equilibrium because now we're pushing up. So I'm not afraid of longs. I like longs. We have this 15-minute gap here. We have range high, range low. Let's stretch it out. 30-minute gap, huge. Let's see. Boom. Bro. Okay, continue. Let's wait for like a continuation or something. 5 minutes right there. Dude, fuck! Okay, so now that we've taken out like our main draws for the day, now I'm going to want to wait for like an equilibrium tag or something. Because now we still have draws higher, we still have these highs higher. Where's these highs on our Q? We have a SMT. Cool. I'm not really afraid of longs. Longs are still really good. Like, we're fucking bullish as hell. 13, 14, 15. Okay, good. It's a 5-minute gap. I'll take this. Boom. I'm gonna be taking this with this placement idea. So I'll have my stop right there, and then I'll get at like 1-to-1. Stop loss though, I don't like, but I'm just taking this with a displacement. Okay, and then that's a loss. Let's see what we do. Let's see what we do. We end up. This is a 15-minute tap. Okay, let's see. So obviously cons about this. The inversion was too strong. This could have been a fade day, to be honest. Bruh, it's just like I like the displacement. That's why I took it. So if we were to go lower, then like here, then this displacement was like false or whatever. But what do we do this day? So we go lower, go lower, go lower. Oh my gosh, I literally fucking tried to take the high of day. So let's look at reasons why this mech fit or worked out. Why did this mech work out? This dumbass mouse. Like, look at this. If we go here, I'd obviously want to go break even pretty quickly, like right there. Well, we end up delivering higher from there. I guess the trend, like the trend in the draw was very clear. So this is a scenario where we didn't hit equilibrium, but yet we still went higher. Here we went equilibrium. We already took out a good draw for the day. This intermediate high. And then, yeah, I thought we would go higher, but we ended up having a full-on reversal. I mean, whoa, did I enter right? Wait, when did I enter? When did I enter? When did I enter? 9:10, 9 o'clock. Yeah. So I guess my stop also wasn't high resistance. Like, look at this. Seeing lows. I didn't even see that. Okay. Yeah, so maybe this wasn't the best trade then. Next day. Yeah, that's probably like a fucking C plus trade. All right, we are retracing into internal, just following this dump, external. Cannot talk. Oh damn, this Chinese food's getting to me. Let's see. 4 hour trend is so clear. We have this 4 hour gap here, and we have this 4 hour gap there. Ooh, okay, easy continuation. Let's see how we play out of this 15-minute. Of course we fucking delivered to it. And then we look like we end up just dumping this entire day. Ooh, we still have these draws lower. That's good. I don't want to take this, dude. Micro equilibrium from here. There. 15-minute. Oh, we're inside this 15-minute. Boom, we hit this equilibrium point. We have a 5-minute gap that I can target. So this could be like a mech. I don't know how to take 15-second inversions, and I want this manipulation move to be better if I do take one. Okay. Okay. Can either just deliver lower from here. 19. Oi! No. Okay, cool. Continuation, so 5-minute or 15-minute into this 5-minute, and we are still trending lower. Like, we respected this equilibrium point. Now, bro, now we are respecting this equilibrium point. Well, that's if we get a fucking entry to it. Manipulation leg could be a little bit better. Okay. Let's see this shit play out. Oh my gosh! When is my entry? 9:33. So what is bad about this trade? We hit equilibrium. I guess we are defending LR. We do have a little bit of LR there. Let me make sure we're not in a 1 minute. We weren't. Bro, that's so fucking gay. Oh, ES already took out this low. Okay, that's one thing I didn't check. Alright, that's week 2. Fucking too long.